Hello, welcome, namaste guys. Thanks for tuning. Shikhar from Banaras. In today's video, I'm going to talk about Sjcam Sj4000 Wi-Fi version. In the later end of this video, I'm going to give a verdict that you should buy it or not. Let's get started. So talking about the camera, the build quality of it seems pretty nice. On the front of the camera you will find a button for power on off and modes. On the top of it you will find a OK button. In this side you will find a button for up and down and Wi-Fi. Here is a 2-inch display and underneath there is a compartment for battery and here for USB and SD card insertion. The battery that Sjcam provides is only of 900 mAh. Though it's very low, but the company claims that it will give you around 45 minutes to 1 hour of shooting time. This Sjcam camera provides various of resolutions. By the use of these two buttons you can go up and down. These are the resolutions in which you can shoot: 1080p at 30 frames per second, 720p at 60 frames, 720p at 30 frames and WVGA. After that there is a loop recording video, there is a wide dynamic range, motion detection, audio, volume, there is a video lapse also known as time lapse, quality, sharpness, ISO and the various of the settings. After booting the camera, you are ready to shoot videos. And you are ready to shoot the videos. By pressing the mode button once, you will enter in the camera section where you can click photos. After pressing it again, you will enter in the gallery section. And after pressing it again, you will enter in the settings.